Students, today I am Raman Gupta, and today we are going to study an essay named In Praise of Ignorance, written by Hilary Belloc. Let's start with the introduction of the author. Hilary Belloc was born in 1870 and died in 1953. He would practice historical monographs and he had practiced historical monographs and articles for newspaper, and he also used to compose essays for his interest. Besides, he also wrote some charming poems, but his knowledge for history is beyond description. Some of his volumes of essay are on nothing, on anything, on something, and so on. Further, we discuss examination, which is the main point in the essay. According to the author, examination is the measurement of ignorance. The author says that, like other students, he had also appeared in many examinations. Nobody likes them. Even the critics and the wisest man criticize and condemn the examination, but Belloc has some different attitude. He wants to convey us that examination is a true mirror of man's knowledge. It reveals that the man is wise or ignorant. So, through examination, one can measure one's ignorance, how much ignorant he or she is. Everybody is ignorant, less or more, everybody is ignorant here in this world. But through examination, one can measure how ignorant he is. The next point is business and ignorance. How business and ignorance are connected. Belloc tells us that we should not have a little knowledge of our ignorance because it can harm us. On the other hand, more the knowledge of ignorance will be, more we are to get benefits, because learning of ignorance is the beginning of our learning. Ignorance is the field of that has made what has made its way not only into the mind of common people but also into the mind of man of status. A true salesman studies the ignorance of the public and sells his articles for high cost. Here Belloc quotes an illustration from the vast saloons of Rome, of Versailles, of Vienna, and so on, where bluff travelers, or we can say clever salesman, meets aristocracy of a foreign land, and with the help of mountebanks succeeds in the purpose. The very process is common nowadays in the field of business. If you are ignorant, you are likely to be thieved. The next point is efficiency and ignorance, or we can say completion and ignorance. Belloc is light-hearted while commenting on the skill of competents who are self-styled wise among their friends. They also ignore the ignorance whenever they get opportunity to test their wisdom. These forced wise often return with empty hands when they face competition. The essay tells us that about a young competent of divinity who appeared in a certain examination to test his qualification for holy orders. He was asked 6 questions and was expected to attempt 3 of them. For the answers given by the forced wise were more childish than others. Nothing, no, none, these were the answers. The examination thought him 50% or ranked him 50% ignorant. So there was 50% option, but he could not answer the option. So he was 100% ignorant according to Balak. Through the set of examination, Balak mocks on the wisdom of the modern age. Thank you. We will continue uh, this essay in the next video also. Thank you. I hope you will enjoy studying through this way.